Woohoo, ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to be doing a total product overview of Fiety's Ultra 8 Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner because it's not only versatile and powerful, but because I want to show why it's been such an excellent investment for our home. So this is a lightweight cordless stick vacuum with powerful suction for hardwood floors, tile, carpet, and furniture. It has a runtime of up to 60 minutes and comes with several swappable heads for different surfaces. But the coolest feature of all is this self-standing mode where it just, stands up by itself without having to lean against a wall or something. Seriously, this is a game changer. Just for that feature alone, I would buy this thing. So we got this vacuum for a couple of reasons. First is we've got different types of floors and we wanted something that would vacuum effectively on all of them. Second, because we've got kids who are constantly making messes but often drop stuff on the ground like food, crumbs, and other stuff that are heavier to pick up. So we needed something powerful enough to pick up heavy debris. And the third reason is because we have a dog who is so awesome, but he sheds all the time. And so we needed something that was powerful enough to actually pick up all of his hair that's kind of embedded in carpet and our furniture and stuff. So if you're looking for a vacuum for any of the same reasons, just go and buy this vacuum. But if you need further convincing, let's talk about the swappable heads in Cyclone, starting with the motor bar cleaning head. So this is your workhorse. You'll use this 90% of the time. It works on all floors, so hardwood floors, carpet, rugs, and tile. Then you have this 2-in-1 crevice nozzle and brush. Simply pressing this button protracts forward and retracts back the brush head so that you can use the nozzle for picking up fine debris in like corners or hard to reach areas, or you can use the brush for removing dust and debris from multiple corners at the same time. Then you have this furniture scraper, which I love to use on our couches as it grabs all of the pet hair from the cushions and blankets and any other loose food or stuff that's on the couch. Then you have this extender wand that by pressing this button here extends or shortens the wand, transforming it from a stick vacuum to a full upright handheld vacuum. And finally, you have the Cyclone. First, you have this little button here that if you press, it releases the dustbin door to empty out the dustbin. But then if you press this button here in the back, it allows you to remove the dustbin completely to wash out and rinse. Then to actually access and clean the filters, you simply remove the entire dustbin, you yank on this little pull tab here to remove the filter, then you take these parts, you run them underwater and rinse them off, let them air dry for like 24 hours, and then you simply insert them back in, wedge them into place, and then you're good to go. Then it comes with a removable battery that slides in and locks into place under the handle and trigger. And then just by pressing this button here, it'll activate the Cyclone and illuminate the back LCD screen to show you how much power you have left and what mode of power you're using. And if you press this button right next to it, it'll switch it from Eco mode to Turbo mode to Turbo Deluxe Boost Super mode. A couple of fun features is that on Eco mode and an empty dustbin, I can vacuum the entire house, all of our floors in one session. I'm able to vacuum our laundry room, the kids' room, a bathroom, the toy room, all of their toys are picked up, this little book nook area, another kid's room, all of the stairs, the living room, dining room, kitchen, this powder bathroom, mud room, entry room, our bathroom, our closet, and our master bedroom, all on one charge. And what I'll do is occasionally switch it to turbo boost mode to pick up like heavier debris or crumbs and stuff that's actually lodged in carpets and rugs. Another great feature is how easy it is to empty out the dustbin. So just be sure you're standing over a trash can, and what you'll do is you'll just press this trigger here, it'll swing the door open, and then just give it a couple of pats, and if necessary like a grab or two, empties out most of the remaining debris, and then you simply close the lid until it locks into place, and then you're good to go. Charging it is pretty simple as well. Simply plug it into this little port found here, and if it's still attached to the Cyclone, it actually illuminates that LCD screen, indicating how much charging it still needs to reach 100%. But you can also remove the battery as well to charge separately from the Cyclone for further convenience. So if it isn't obvious by now, this thing picks up fine debris without issues, works great on carpet, hardwood floors, and tile. It takes about 4 hours to charge the battery and allows you to easily vacuum to your heart's content. So yeah, it's great, especially for the length adjusting wand, because now I have my kids do all my vacuuming and I'm teaching them to clean up their own messes at the same time. So that's my product overview of Fiety's Ultra 8 Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. And if you've gotten this far in my video and found it in any way helpful or informative, even if you end up going with another vacuum, I'd really appreciate just a simple thumbs up or heart on the video. Over and out.